Hello everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up your new smartphone. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who's just starting to explore the world of smartphones, this guide is here to help you every step of the way. Getting a new phone can be exciting, but sometimes the setup process can seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not used to all the new technology. But don't worry, we're here to make it as simple and enjoyable as possible. This guide is designed specifically for seniors and anyone who might feel a little intimidated by new gadgets. We understand that technology can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with a little guidance, you'll find it can be quite manageable and even fun. We'll go through each step together at a comfortable pace using simple language and clear instructions. From the moment you unbox your phone to the final touches of personalization, we've got you covered. Remember, setting up your phone should be a fun and easy experience. It's all about making the device work for you and fitting it into your lifestyle seamlessly. In this guide, we'll cover everything from turning on your phone for the very first time to personalizing it with your favorite settings. We'll show you how to navigate through the initial setup screens, choose your preferred language, and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Insert your SIM card, and even how to make your phone extra secure. Security is important, and we'll guide you through setting up a PIN, password, or even fingerprint recognition if your phone supports it. Don't worry if you've never done this before. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring that you feel confident and comfortable with your new device. We're going to take it slow and steady, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to enjoying all the wonderful things your new smartphone has to offer. From making calls and sending messages to exploring apps and taking photos, your smartphone is a powerful tool that can enhance your daily life in many ways. So, let's get started and make the most of your new device together. The first step in our smartphone setup journey is turning on your device. This might seem obvious, but it's where it all begins. Locate the power button on your phone. It's usually on the side or top of the device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. You'll see the screen light up, and usually the manufacturer's logo will appear. Keep holding the power button until the phone fully boots up. You'll know it's ready when you see a welcome screen or a prompt to choose your language. Now you're ready for the next step. Now that your phone is on, let's set it up to speak your language. On the welcome screen, you'll usually see a list of languages. Scroll through the list and find your preferred language. You can usually scroll by swiping up or down on the screen. Once you've found it, tap on it to select. Next, you'll likely be asked to select your region or country. This helps the phone configure the correct time zone and other location-specific settings. Just like with the language, find your region from the list and tap on it. Connect into the world, setting up Wi-Fi. In today's digital age, having a reliable Wi-Fi connection is more important than ever. It allows us to stay connected with family and friends, access information, and enjoy various online services. Having a Wi-Fi connection is essential for downloading apps, browsing the internet, and staying connected with loved ones. Whether it's video calling your grandchildren, streaming your favorite shows, or simply reading the news, Wi-Fi makes it all possible. Let's get your phone connected to your home Wi-Fi network. This process is simple and will only take a few minutes. First, look for the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can manage all your phone's configurations. It's often represented by a gear or a cogwheel icon. This icon is universally recognized and easy to find. Tap on the Settings icon to open it. Once inside, you'll have access to various options to customize your phone. Inside Settings, you'll find an option called Wi-Fi or Network and Internet. This is where you can manage your wireless connections. Tap on it to see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Your phone will scan for nearby networks and display them. Find your home's Wi-Fi network name on the list and tap on it. This is usually the name you or your internet provider set up. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any connection issues. Type in your password carefully and then tap Connect or Join. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message and you'll be ready to enjoy your internet connection. Your phone's ID card. Inserting your SIM card. Your SIM card is a tiny card that holds important information like your phone number and data plan. It's what allows your phone to make calls and connect to the cellular network. Your phone should come with a SIM card tray removal tool. It's a small pin-like tool. Insert the tool into the small hole on the SIM card tray, usually located on the side of your phone. Gently push the tool in to eject the tray. Carefully place your SIM card into the tray, making sure it's aligned correctly. Then, gently slide the tray back into the phone. You should hear a click when it's secure. Your digital key. Signing into Google or Apple ID. This is your gateway to a seamless digital experience. Most smartphones use either a Google account for Android phones or an Apple ID for iPhones to access apps, store contacts, and back up your data. These accounts are essential for making the most out of your device. If you don't have one already, you can create one during this step. It's a simple process that ensures you can enjoy all the features your smartphone has to offer. You'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. This step is crucial for setting up your device properly. If you already have a Google account or Apple ID, enter your email address and password and tap Next. This will link your existing account to your new device. If you don't have one, select Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is user-friendly and guides you through each step. Signing into your account connects your phone to a world of apps, services, and easy ways to connect with friends and family. From social media to video calls, everything becomes accessible. It also helps keep your data backed up securely. This means your photos, contacts and important information are safe, even if you switch devices or lose your phone. Embrace the digital age with confidence.